Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Lumineux brand, the rechargeable electric sonic toothbrush for adults with two unique bamboo heads, charging station and USB charging cable. Gets great ratings on Amazon. So this gives you deep cleaning, uncompromising care, designed and created to help protect your enamel while providing with the clean you expect from an electric toothbrush. The innovation lies in the bristles that they use. Super soft bristles are made with renewable materials, offer a deep clean, uncompromising care. This was designed by a really world-known dentist, Kourosh Maddahi, and he wanted to provide his own patients, family, and the public with an electric toothbrush that would help remove plaque and promote healthy gums and teeth. Designed here with some 5 years of research. Now we're going to be totally testing this out, and you're going to see how it operates. It's really unique, and if you look closely, we can show you the close-up of the bristles. They are totally soft, but yet are nice long length and rigid in the length, but soft on the top. And look how cool it is, bamboo, and it has the attachment piece right there. Really nice, all renewable materials. And the unit itself is beautiful looking. I love the color of this. It's this old-fashioned looking green, and it just pushes right on just like that. The base has a removable piece on here, and it's counterweighted, and you put the cable in there to charge it. It has rubberized feet, and it holds it really nice and stable right in place for you. And you have the included charging cable. Any USB-A 1 amp or greater will work fine. Has a really nicely written instruction manual also on here. So really unique, and this is will work up to 6 weeks of battery life because it actually has a large enough battery inside here. Let's look at the operation of it. We hold this down, it turns it on, and then it goes to the last setting that I had it on. And you can see it's very powerful. We're going to show you, look how it's vibrating. We're going to show you in some water what that's doing. It's unbelievable. And as you hit this button right here, you can go into the different modes: clean, whiten, polish, gum care. And it'll tell you in the manual what the difference is between all those different modes and everything. When you hold this down, you actually can change the power level. See how it's changing right there? There's power level settings on here. You can hold this down and it'll go to a lower power setting on there, and in between the medium, and that way you have 3 different power levels depending on the sensitivity of your gums and your teeth. Then when you pose it like this, it allows you to go through all the different modes at that preset power level that you just chose. So charging is very simple. You take the included cable and you plug it in, and you just push the cable through like that, and then you put the plexiglass cover on, and then you just put it right on there, and it's using induction. Let me shut off the studio light here so you can see better, and it's actually charging it. You can see right there, I got all the studio lights off, and it's fully charged. So what it did is it completed the cycle, but you can see how it steps through, and then it'll finish itself off and it'll stop blinking when it's finished, just like that. So here I'm going to demonstrate. I have some water and a little soap, and I have the Lumineux Electric Sonic Toothbrush on here, and I just want to show you the pattern on there. See how it's dispersing the water and the soap? This is what helps clean the plaque off your teeth and helps massage your gums. And it's doing this with the softer bristles on here. I could just feel how soft that is, yet it's effective. So that's the whole operation, how this is working. So after testing, what do I think about the Lumineux brand, the rechargeable electric sonic toothbrush for adults with 2 bamboo heads, charging station, USB charging cable? I love this product. I love the way it looks. I love these bamboo heads on there, all totally smooth, high-tech, and this unique bristle, which is totally soft to not damage your sensitive gums, and the ability to have power level changes and to go through all these different settings on here and the induction charging is excellent on this unit. It works perfectly also. So this is a very well engineered product. I'm impressed with the quality control and how well it works. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.